Right. So guys, this is our presentation for Got Backup again, and this is really a starting to be a very powerful business, no? And these are the 8 reasons why Got Backup is one of the best opportunities for Pinoy. Okay, this is in Taglish, by the way. So anyway, we already have our Facebook group. You can access and become a member of our team, and that's bit.ly/slash GBUPhil. Okay, PHIL, no? For Philippines. So moving forward, okay, 8 reasons why Got Backup. So number one, it's a global product for a global need. Okay? So guys, buong mundo is already being run by gadgets. Puro mga cellphones, puro mga tablets, iPhone, iPads, PCs, whatever. No, every gadget and every digital or tech device needs storage. Okay? Yung nagiging mas hungry, kita ninyo, palaki ng palaki ang storage capacity from dati puro megabytes lang, tapos naging gigabyte, tapos ngayon terabyte na. 'Di ba? And also, ano pang nangyari? Nadagdagan ang mga tao sa mundo. As of current times, there are already 8 billion human beings in this world globally, no? And most people have their own gadgets. Ang laki ng market for this kind of product, no? Because ang daming mga gadgets. So, another thing is, why is it perfect specifically para sa Pinoy? It's because marami tayong OFWs or marami tayong foreign working Pinoys, no? So there are 10.2 million, actually marami pa diyan yung undocumented Pinoys, 'di ba? Alam naman natin 'yan. 'Di ba? But the thing is, there are more than 10 million Pinoys all around. That's effectively 11% of the population of the Philippines. Okay? So there kalat 'yan sa buong mundo. Ano, you know, bawat dulo ng mundo meron talagang Pilipinos. And these are your relatives and your friends and your office mates na dati, mga kakilala mo, kaklase mo. Practically, most Filipinos, if not all, may kamag-anak or merong na kakarelate dyan na OF or as nakatira sa abroad na kakilala, no? So, napakalaki ng potential with this market alone. And as it is, kokonti pa lang ang global membership ng Got Backup, no? Napakalaki ng potential. These people, okay, itong mga kakilala nyo abroad, friends ninyo sa Facebook, friends ninyo sa social media, Instagram and whatnot, TikTok, no? These are your potential distributors and downlines, guys. So, napakalaki ng potential talaga for Filipinos specifically. Okay? And lalo na ang Pilipino, palakaibigan yan. So, maraming kakilala yan sa abroad. So, they can tap other countries and other markets wherever they are. Like in Dubai, where I have a lot of friends. Yan ang mga market ko, and ang dami nilang kakilala diyan, mga ibang tawag, ibang lahi, 'di ba? Because ang usually tawagan ng Filipinos is kabayan, 'di ba? Marami tayong kabayans all around the world, okay? And marami ding mga kabayan na maraming kaibigan na ibang lahi. So that's a very very big plus. You can tap your foreign located friends na Pinoy, and then they can tap other countries under them. Napakalaki ng potential. So, yun nga, most people have at least one or more gadgets. Hindi lang naman isa usually 'di ba? Merong PC yan, isa o dalawa o even 3 cellphones, may tablet pa, kung ano-ano, 'di ba? So, all of these gadgets need storage. And at the same time, okay, mas maganda, bakit sumisikat sila Dropbox, sila Google Drive, sila for the iOS Apple Cloud, 'di ba? Because you can access your drives from all of your gadgets. Similar sa Got Backup 'yon, guys. So, walang pinagkaiba yung atin, except our product has the potential for you to be in the path of the money. Ibig sabihin, when people buy the product, you can be in between, okay, para magkaroon ka ng konting commission from it. So, simple lang ang business model ng Got Backup. Iyan. So, and because all of these gadgets, all of these, palaki ng palaki ang resolution, palaki ng palaki ang demand for storage. So, your valuable memories, your videos, and your pictures, yung mga ine-edit mong mga video for whatever reason, a lot of people these days are content creators na, and they need more and more spaces for storage. Saan ilalagay yon, 'di ba? Bibili ka na lang naman ng card. Ang SD card or whatever yung storage card mo diyan na physical, 'pag na-magnet 'yan or nawala mo, wala na ang mga iyong storage. Maraming beses na nangyari sa akin 'yan, nasira ang storage and whatnot. Sayang lahat ng memories. But if it's in the cloud, andyan lang 'yan, pwede mong hugutin. Kahit mawala yung gadget mo, you can still access your old account, and then pwede mo na hugutin yung mga memories and mga pictures or whatever data that you need from the cloud storage. And it's easy and affordable to start and maintain. Okay, so guys, that's very important for me because I'm always looking for businesses and opportunities na po pwedeng gawin ng ordinaryong Pilipino na hindi sila magbi-bleed masyado, or dahil kasi I don't want yung ipinipuwersa yung mga tao na mag-enter ng napaka high ticket na business tapos hindi din nila mababawi, baon na sila sa utang, 'di ba? Dito napaka-affordable, okay? Especially for foreign located Filipinos, especially pag mataas ang pera ng location nila. Like in Dubai, I think it's 15 pesos na yata or something per dirham, 15 pesos, no? Kung sa US, it's right now 56.8 or something like that. So napakamura. And it's only $50 to start and $10 to maintain on a monthly basis. So if you want to know how this works, become a member, and there are other videos that we have for you on how to make this work, no? So ayun, it's very affordable. It's not like, going to break the bank. Hindi mo kailangan mangutang ng matindi or whatever, 'di ba? Kaya mong i-program ang repayment and whatnot, no? So, if ever, okay. So it's easy and affordable to start and maintain. And reason number 5, it's easy to get paid, guys. Ang dali ng setup ng bank mo dito. Just have a bank. You don't have a bank, go and open, you download either GoTime or Union Bank. Okay, these are both Visa card, they have the Visa there that you can use with Payoneer. Okay, so Payoneer is the channel, yan yung daanan. Yan ang nagko-connect na pag-payout sa'yo ni Got Backup, idadali ni Payoneer, i-forward, ito todo pasa niya agad sa iyong either Union Bank or GoTime or any other bank account that you have na madali lang i-set up from the back office. Okay? So, napakadali lang ang setup niyan. Once you become a member, marami na. I can assist you. If you're part of my team, I can assist you. Okay? So, ayan. It's easy to promote. Bakit? Universal market eh. Wala yata akong nakitang tao na walang smartphone. Okay? So, it's easy to promote, and the back office and yung back office, when you become a member, kasi you have access to your own website and to your own back office where you can track your members, track your potential prospects, track your power line. Ang daming tools dito, and there are also promotional tools. Ang dami. You can even attend webinars there. Ang dami. So these are the Got Backup tools in your back office, no? So dito sa yung kasama dito is the promotional tool. May landing page ka na. You don't have to create your own landing page. Pwede mo na lang sabihin yung kaibigan mo. Let's say that yung kaibigan mo yon is in Saudi or whatever. O ito yung link ko. Hindi ka na kailangan gumawa ng website. You just get the link of the back office, from the back office, yung link ng iyong landing page. You have a pre-made landing page. And then, doon na lang magpupunta na yung mga nire-refer mo mga tao. Okay? May videos na yon, meron na mga information kung ano ang Got Backup and what can it do for them. Okay? So, it's very easy to promote. It's very easy to use the tools. And potentially massive profitability. Okay. Napakalaki ng potential nito, guys, because ang payout is in dollars. Okay? In fact, upon your first, ito lang, if you get the pinaka-basic ones, which is the $10 a month, and you have a down payment, you have a one-time registration of $50, doon sa $50, pag nakakuha ka ng magsa-sign up under you, okay, who also gets a 6 terabytes, guys, 6 terabytes by the way, That's 6 terabytes of space for only $10 a month. Okay? Compared with like my Google, which I've been paying 89 pesos for the past X years, 89 pesos per month, which is only 100 gigabytes. Okay? 6 terabytes is 60 times that. So if you multiply 60 times 89, lumalabas siya ng almost 6,000 pesos. So that's a very huge difference, guys. No? So anong ibig sabihin yan when it comes to massive profitability? Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, when you get the payout of $20, okay, from the initial registration, you multiply 20 times the conversion rate, which is in peso, which is 56.8, di ba? Lumalabas na 1,100 something, 137 yata or something. Napakalaki. That's just one prospect or one close, no? One guy getting under your team, okay? And napakalaki din ng profitability prospect pag lumaki na yung grupo mo as time goes on, because may binary matrix ito that allows the group to grow under you, okay? Because spillover lang yan, because alam na naman natin ng binary, you only have 2 downlines. So based on the binary matrix, yung mga taong nagtatrabaho sa ibabaw, maambunan ka talaga sa ilalim, because you can only lalo na kung tulad namin masipag yung team natin, ano. So yan ang balak nating buuin, yan ang balak nating i-build talaga, because because of the the conversion rate, pag nag-cycle ang binary system, binary matrix nito, ang laki ng conversion rate, guys. It's in my other so I won't be surprised if in a year or so, pag tinrabaho mo lang ito ng talagang taos-puso, no? And you take this very seriously, and you tap people talaga, and you become a good leader to them, be a good friend and business partner. Guys, pag mapalaki niyo yung grupo niyo dito, I won't be surprised that in 6 months to 1 year, you'll be earning in the 5 or 6 figures already, possibly even 7. That is the big possibility, because remember, the dollars, 'di ba? You're earning in dollars, not in pesos. Okay? So napakalaki. We'll discuss the possibility or the profitability of this in a different video, pero napakalaki ng possibility na malaki ang profitability mo, no? And number 8 is the pioneering, guys. Wala pang mga 40,000, I think, ang members. Last time I joined, parang 30 plus pa lang eh. Okay? And slots are going fast, guys, because especially, guys, pumosisyon na kayo, because the people above us, which are from the more mas mataas ang pera nila na countries, ang dali lang nilang pasukin eh. Pinapasok na nila, because $50 to them is like parang 100 pesos lang to us eh. Okay? Because $50 to them is not really that big of an issue. Okay? Lalo na kung makita nila yung common sense ng produkto, and they need the product because of the storage facility. Diba? Cloud storage. So, guys, pioneering ito. Now is the time. This is a golden opportunity na wag natin dapat palampasin. This is something that, I see that can be very big. Okay? At the same time, what if it, disappears or whatnot? Malaki ba yung nawala natin? Yun ang maganda dun eh. Okay? But the thing is, this company has been in business for the past 25 years. They are the internet. They provide data storage for websites, for by the way, the security of this, okay, hindi basta-basta is 256, AES 256 bit, no? So it's a very, very strong security encryption. Okay, matindi ang encryption nito. Military grade, US military grade ang encryption nito. Kaya hindi ka basta-basta mahahack. Unless ibigay mo yung password mo and yung kung ano yung mga access details mo. Wala na tayong magagawa doon. Binigay mo eh. 'Di ba? So remember to keep your passwords and your in a very secure space. Okay, place. So, guys, golden opportunity. This will be very big. Okay? And just to note, no? In fact, yung Dropbox, okay, remember Dropbox, diba? That's a branded cloud storage facility, and I used to rent from them also. Guys, they already have 700 million users, and these users walang commission from their promotion of Dropbox. Okay, walang affiliate selling si Dropbox. Okay? Itong sa atin, Imagine that, wala pang 40 ba, wala pang 50,000 or something, no? I don't know. Ang bilis kasing madagdagan eh. Okay, so guys, this is all around the world. The whole market is 8 billion. Okay, sabihin mo na lang 4 billion, 'di ba? Yung may mga gadgets. Anyway, napakalaki ng market. It's time for us to get positioned, specifically well positioned ang Pilipino to tap the whole world market for this. Okay? So, guys, it's time to get on board, okay? There join us now, group namin there. There's our link, no? So, yun lang guys. So, that's it for now and good evening everybody. So, maraming salamat and I hope nakatulong sa inyo itong ating presentation for GAT Backup and good night. Okay? Contact us now. Become a member of GBU Phil. God bless.